Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something we often take for granted, our hands. From gripping, holding, writing, and working, our hands are always busy. But how often do we actually care for them? In this video, I'll share 20 powerful tips to keep your hands healthy, strong, and looking great. Let's jump right in. Let's begin with the basics. Tip number 1. Wash your hands properly. We all know washing our hands is important, but are you doing it the right way? Washing your hands isn't just about a quick rinse. Use lukewarm water and soap for at least 20 seconds, making sure to clean between your fingers and under your nails. Proper washing not only removes dirt, but also reduces harmful bacteria and viruses. This simple habit keeps your hands safe from infections. Tip 2. Avoid overwashing. While washing is important, overwashing can dry out your skin. Too much soap and hot water strip away natural oils, leaving your hands cracked and irritated. Stick to washing when necessary and use gentle moisturizing soaps that won't harm your skin barrier. Balance is the key here. Tip 3. Moisturize regularly. After every wash, apply a good hand cream or lotion. Hydrated hands are less likely to crack, peel, or itch. Look for products with natural ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or glycerin. Keeping your skin moisturized is essential for maintaining softness and preventing early signs of aging. Moving on to protection. Tip number 4. Avoid harsh chemicals. When using cleaning products, gardening chemicals, or even strong dishwashing liquid, always wear gloves. Harsh chemicals can damage your skin, cause rashes, or trigger allergies. Protecting your hands during these activities will save you from irritation and long-term damage. Prevention is better than cure. Tip 5. Wear sunscreen on your hands. We often forget that our hands are just as exposed to the sun as our face. UV rays can cause premature aging, wrinkles, and dark spots. Always apply sunscreen to the backs of your hands before going outside. This little step will keep your skin smooth and youthful. Now let's talk about nails. Tip number 6. Trim and clean your nails properly. Keeping your nails neat isn't just about looks, it's about hygiene. Trim them regularly to avoid dirt buildup and infections. Use a nail brush to gently scrub under your nails. Clean, trimmed nails not only look better, but also keep harmful germs away. Tip 7. Avoid nail biting. Nail biting is more harmful than it seems. It damages your nail bed, exposes you to bacteria, and even weakens your hands. If stress makes you bite your nails, try stress relief alternatives like squeezing a stress ball or chewing sugar-free gum. Healthy nails make hands look much better. Tip number 8. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for your skin health, including your hands. Dehydration makes your hands dry and flaky. By drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day, you keep your skin nourished from the inside out, giving your hands a natural glow and softness. For those who want to go the extra mile, tip number 9. Exfoliate weekly. Just like your face, your hands benefit from exfoliation. Use a gentle scrub once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. This promotes smoother skin and allows moisturizers to absorb better. You can even make a natural scrub at home using sugar and olive oil. Tip number 10. Massage your hands. A simple hand massage improves blood circulation, reduces stiffness, and keeps your joints flexible. You don't need a professional massage, just use a few minutes daily to rub your palms, fingers, and wrists. This also helps relieve stress and relax your muscles after long hours of work. Let's discuss some specific conditions. Tip number 11. Protect hands in cold weather. Cold air can be brutal on your hands, making them dry, red, and cracked. Always wear gloves during winter or windy conditions. Keep a hand cream in your pocket to reapply throughout the day. Protecting your hands in cold weather prevents long-term skin damage. Tip 12. Maintain good hand posture. If you type or use your phone often, be mindful of your hand posture. Poor positioning can lead to joint pain or conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome. Keep your wrists straight, fingers relaxed, and take breaks to stretch. Small adjustments make a huge difference over time. Tip 13. Stretch your fingers daily. Hand and finger stretches strengthen muscles and prevent stiffness. Try simple exercises like making a fist, spreading your fingers wide, or pressing your palms together. Doing these daily boosts flexibility and reduces the risk of injuries, especially if you use your hands a lot for work. Tip 14. Avoid using hands as tools. Opening cans, scraping stickers, or prying things open with your nails can damage your skin and nails. Always use the right tools instead of your hands. Protecting your hands from unnecessary strain prevents injuries and keeps your nails strong and intact. Tip number 15. Eat a balanced diet. Healthy skin starts with nutrition. Include foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, along with omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients strengthen your skin, nails, and joints. A balanced diet helps your hands heal faster, look better, and stay strong for daily tasks. Quick tips for everyday life. Tip number 16. Treat cuts and scrapes properly. Even small cuts on your hands can lead to infection. Clean the wound with mild soap, apply an antiseptic, and cover it with a clean bandage. Never ignore small injuries; they can worsen if left untreated. Proper care keeps your hands safe from bacteria and scars. Tip 17. Practice good hand hygiene with technology. We touch our phones, keyboards, and remotes all day long. These surfaces carry a lot of germs that can transfer to your hands. Wipe your devices regularly with disinfectant wipes and wash your hands afterward. This simple step prevents hidden germs from making you sick. Tip 18. Avoid extreme hot water. Soaking your hands in very hot water damages skin cells and strips natural oils. Instead, use lukewarm water for washing and bathing. This keeps your hands comfortable, soft, and less prone to dryness and redness caused by heat exposure. Tip number 19. Take care of joint health. Your hands are made up of many small joints that need care. Regularly move and stretch them, and if you feel stiffness, apply warm compresses. For people with arthritis, gentle hand exercises and maintaining a healthy lifestyle are essential to keeping mobility. And lastly, tip number 20. Get regular checkups. If you notice unusual symptoms like persistent numbness, swelling, or joint pain, don't ignore them. These could signal conditions like carpal tunnel, arthritis, or infections. Visiting a doctor early ensures proper treatment and keeps your hands healthy for years to come. And that's it: 20 essential tips to keep your hands healthy, beautiful, and strong. Remember, your hands are one of the most hardworking parts of your body, so they deserve proper care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Get your supplement in the link below.